Getting that crypto felt like hitting a hidden switch in a video game. One of those secret cheats only a few people know about. For real, it felt like I was tapped into something major. If you're down to learn, I'm dropping the whole method right now, step by step. I used to chase every trending coin like it was the next big thing. Dropped bags, and they all disappeared like they never existed. Total loss. But I flipped the script, got a plan, stuck with it, no skipping days. That grind changed everything. I'm talking 10x returns now. Want to know the difference maker? It's staying in the game. I'm about to walk you through the whole thing. But before I hand you the whole strategy on a silver platter, we need to start where it counts. The fundamentals. No fast forwarding. Pump fun might seem like a shortcut, but it's got some flaws you can't ignore. Let's unpack that first. Load up Photon, flip the filter to pump fun, and you'll see tokens dropping faster than you can count. Problem is, most of them nosedive right after launch. That's what you get when everyone can mint a coin in seconds. Too many weak plays clogging the space. Now slide into Raydium's filter settings and take a look at how smooth the platform runs. You'll see tokens launching around every minute. Not too fast, not too slow. That flow is set up intentionally to keep things under control. Liquidity's locked, market cap's strong, and the volume just keeps climbing. The main point, only solid devs with actual plans make the cut. That's what gives this method power. Stick with me, I'll break it all down step by step. Not gonna lie, it kind of feels too simple. Launchtool basically stripped all the hard parts out of creating a token. You don't need to know code or anything. Legit, your grandma could pull it off. Just a few quick clicks on Raydium and boom, your token's live. I've gone through this process a bunch of times now, and the results? Way better than I ever expected. Alright, Canva time. For your logo, go with anything current or anything you're into. I've been rewatching The Simpsons. Those old school episodes still crack me up. I'm using a ridiculous frame of Homer as the face of my coin, and I'm shaping the rest of the logo around that vibe. Now that your logo is loaded up in Canva, make sure it's the right dimensions. We're aiming for 128 by 128 pixels. If anything's out of place, go ahead and clean it up. When it looks solid, just hit save and you're good to move on. Okay, let's dive in. Connect your Phantom wallet to Launchtool. No stress, it's a breeze. Once you see the fields for name and symbol, go ahead and type Angry Homer for the name and AH for the symbol. You can skip the description for now if you want. I'm leaving it blank myself. Then just upload your Canva logo and hit Next to continue the process. Keep the coin values and decimals just the way they are. No need to adjust them. Once everything looks good, hit Next to keep going with the process. Verification will cost you 0.1 Solana. It's your choice if that's worth it. Me? I'm not parting with any Solana, I'm keeping mine. Go ahead and press skip, and let's continue. Social media linking might boost your project's visibility, especially if you're famous or have tons of followers. But it's not essential. Raydium handles all the technical stuff in the background. Just hit skip, and we'll keep moving forward. Wait up, don't mess with these settings. Sure, you could save 0.3 Solana by disabling them, but you'll end up losing far more when serious investors steer clear of your token because it looks risky. They expect mint and freeze locked. If they're not, your project could look shady. The best bet? Keep them on and hit launch my token now with total assurance. Hold on for a second. Now hit that transaction button in your wallet. Just a quick tap. Wait for it to process for a few seconds, and there you go. Your token is officially live and ready. Now look at SolScan, and you'll see it's all good. Your token's officially on Solana with no hiccups. No alerts, no shady actions, just a perfectly clean on-chain verification. Alright, let's kick things off. We're making this token a reality. Jump back into Launchtool and click on the Create Liquidity Pool button. It'll redirect you to Raydium, where we'll get the liquidity pool set up and aim for some massive returns. Let's put your MemeCoin on the map. Head over to launchtool.io, copy the contract address, and paste it into Raydium. Set AH as the symbol and Angry Homer for the full name. Click on Add User Token to complete the process. For liquidity, if you've got 1 billion tokens, add 900 million to the pool. Pair it with Solana to ensure smooth sailing. Select the max option for your Solana, then reduce it by 0.2 Solana. This guarantees you'll have enough for the transaction fees. A 2% fee works best, offering a good balance that's attractive to investors without pushing them away. We're nearly finished. Now press Initialize Liquidity Pool. Your Phantom wallet will ask for permission. Don't sweat it, just hit approve. And just like that, your token is up and ready to go. Now launch Photon and make sure the Raydium filter is active. Stay tuned to the screen. Your meme coin will show up soon enough. Once you spot it, you'll know it's live and ready for trading. Go back to Launch Tool and double-check you've got your token's complete address copied. Next, hop onto Deck Screener, open a random coin page, and swap the contract address in the URL with yours, or just search for your coin directly. That'll bring up your chart, looking clean and ready to go. When you're early, you've got a serious advantage. Every trade feels like a win, with the market backing you up. Getting in before the rush means avoiding most of the losses. Just kick back and let your profits grow on their own. Look at the chart real quick. You'll notice a few spikes showing up, those small, rapid shifts, just bots moving coins around, no big surprises. The real game changer happens when a whale puts in a huge buy. Right now, it's just the usual with any new coin. So, it's been 9 minutes since the token dropped, and we've already bagged $53 and another $68 in returns. Liquidity's healthy, the market cap's steady, and the chart's got it all logged in real time. This is the kind of action we want in these early stages. We need whales like this jumping in. Let's give it a few more minutes and see how it plays out. We just got hit with some decent buys. $33, $18, and $43 in the last few. Definitely not bad. The liquidity pool's still intact, and market cap's steady. Remember, it's only been 13 minutes since we launched this thing. Looks good so far, but this is a moment where we want to play it safe. I'll show you exactly how to exit and withdraw your liquidity step by step. Let's dive in. First, connect your creator wallet to Raydium. It's easy, no hassle at all. Then, head over to the Portfolio tab and jump in. Make sure to select the standard option to see your assets. If they're missing right now, no big deal. Just wait 10 to 15 minutes, especially if you just added liquidity. Once it pops up, hit the small minus sign to pull everything out. Select Solana as your currency, approve the transaction, and you're good to go. Boom, the confirmation's in, your liquidity's been successfully transferred. Go ahead and open your wallet to see the total amount now available. Everything's in place now, and the results speak for themselves. This approach has been generating great returns. With how things are unfolding in the market, it's the perfect time to dive in if you've had your eye on it. And the cool thing, you can rinse and repeat this as much as you want. The timing's spot on, and if you keep at it, you could see some impressive results. Just so we're clear, Launch Tool, Photon, and Raydium aren't paying me to say this. I'm just sharing what's been working for me. For more details, head to the description or pinned comment.